To create a kit, select Kit Builder from the navigator. Begin by clicking on the New Kit button, then enter the name for the kit, then click OK. Next, we need to add products to the kit. Begin typing the product description or SKU into the Find Products field. When you see the product you want to add, click on it, then click the Use Selected Rows button. When prompted, enter the quantity of the product needed for the kit. If you are adding a linear product, such as fabric, you enter either the yardage of the fabric or the number of cut pieces needed. Then, from the Piece Type drop-down, select Specific Width, or select one of the defined cut piece types. Continue in this manner until you have added all the products needed for the kit. You can add multiple products to the kit in a single step by clicking the Add Products button, then finding and selecting multiple products. The total retail price of all the selected products is shown in the Total Item Retail Price field. Based on that price, enter the price that the kit is to be sold for. Next, enter a SKU for the kit, or leave that field blank to have the SKU automatically assigned. If the items in the kit can be sold separately, click the Allow Split at POS button. When the item is rung up, the clerk will be given an option to sell individual items in the kit rather than the whole kit. Finally, click the Save Kit Definitions button to save the kit. At this point, the kit you have created is just a definition. The kits haven't been created yet. When you are ready to actually make the kits, click the Assemble Kits button. When prompted, enter the number of kits you will be creating. If you try to create more kits than the current product inventory can fill, you will be prompted to allow the inventory to go negative. You would use this option if you knew you had the products on order. Otherwise, click Cancel, then reduce the number of kits being assembled. To finish, you can print labels for the kits or create a printable list of the kit contents to help the person assembling the kits.